Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors. Today I'm going to share with you my special iftar recipe, which is coconut masala fish. So we're going to start up by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now we're going to add in 1 large grated tomato and 2 finely chopped chilies. We're not going to add the water of the tomatoes because we'll use that later. Now I'm going to give it a quick stir and let it cook for 2 minutes. We're going to keep stirring it because we don't want the tomatoes to get overcooked. So my tomatoes are now ready. This is how we want them to be. Now I'm going to start adding the spices, and I'm going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a quick stir. Now I'm going to add in the water of the tomatoes that I had left earlier. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of coconut powder. We're going to give it a quick and nice stir. Make sure all the ingredients are mixed well. Now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of fish masala, and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Now we're going to mix it very well. Going to cook it for just 1 minute on medium flame. So our gravy is now ready, and we're going to add our fish inside. I'm using fish fillet, which I have already marinated using 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I'm going to lay it onto the gravy. And now I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of water into the bowl I had used to make the marination of the fish, to remove all the masala into the gravy. Now we're going to simmer and let it cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes already, and now we're going to flip the fish. Now we're going to let it cook for 5 more minutes. My coconut masala fish is now ready, and we're going to garnish it with some carom leaves. You can also add in some mint leaves. Now we're going to add some coriander leaves. And some finely chopped spring onions. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for the tangy taste. But this step is optional. You can add it if you like the tangy taste. If you don't like it, you can skip it. My iftari special coconut masala fish is now ready to serve. You can have it with naan, french fries, or anything you'd like. It's a very easy and quick recipe, which I'm sure you and your family will enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and leave me a comment on how yours turned out. Thank you.